All right. Hello, everybody. Welcome. If you are here, you're more than likely looking for ways on how to earn money online. Okay. So today we're going to be talking a little bit about how you can earn money online. There's tons of different ways to earn money online, and throughout the years, I've been using some of these strategies and ways to earn money online, and I want to share them with you. These are my 5 best ways to earn money online that I have personally used throughout the years. Like I mentioned before, I've been doing online marketing for about approximately a decade, about 7 years now. And these are 5 ways that I know that if you can start implementing right now, you can start earning income from home or from pretty much anywhere, just as long as you have online access, okay? So my number 1 strategy when I first started online was CPA. What that means is cost per acquisition or cost per action. So what that does, 1 second here, let me check. Okay, so going back to CPA, what that is, cost per action, and essentially what that is companies paying you for people when they take action. For example, if they fill in their email or their personal information, like for example, email and name, they'll either pay you, it can range from a quarter, 10 cents, or $1, $2, depending on what the company is paying out, okay? Some of the platforms or systems that I used was Peerfly was one of the networks I used, and also Max Bounty, okay? So essentially what that is, you go in there, pick a product or offer, send traffic online, and when people take that action, the company's gonna pay you, okay? Similar to affiliate marketing, it's just that these people are paying you, or these companies are paying you for the action that the people are actually taking, okay? So option number 2 is internet marketing, okay? Internet marketing, also known as digital marketing, okay? It may seem the same, or it's a broad, spectrum of things that you do here. Internet marketing, digital marketing is using the internet to promote products or services that people are already looking for, okay? So for example, if you have your own shop and you just want to bring people into your shop, what you do is you start doing some internet marketing, putting out flyers online, okay? Like for example on Facebook, social media, and using platforms to bring people to your that would be capture page or blog or vlog, okay? So depending on where you're marketing, that's what internet marketing, using the power of the internet to attract those customers to you, okay? So and internet marketing, of course, like I mentioned, this is one of the things that I currently do. I pick a niche or a product that I want to sell, start promoting it online, start sending them traffic, start seeing what people want to do or want to see, okay, using platforms online, okay? So affiliate marketing is the option number 3. Essentially what that is an arrangement between a company, a retailer, okay, and a person that they agree that they're going to be being paid out a commission for when a person buys their product or service, okay? That would be, it's for example, affiliate marketing, what's really common is 20% and up, 40%, sometimes 60, 70%, depending on what the product or offer is. Some of the products that are tangible start at maybe 15, 20, 30% commissions. Some of the digital products can range anywhere from 40 to 90% commission, depending on what product or offer you have on hand. And so personally, I like affiliate marketing because I pick products that I personally believe in and start marketing out to people that I believe that are going to be using those products or services and that can be helpful for them, okay? So that's one of the things that affiliate marketing has. You have to be product of the product in order to sell it, because you got to understand the product to get the right people to engage with your product, get the right people to buy your product, or get the right people to be interested in learning about your product. Okay, so option number 4, okay, network marketing. Network marketing is really big. That's another, it's similar to affiliate marketing, but network marketing, what it is you're getting paid a commission for selling a product or service, but you're also building a network, okay? Just like the name says, network marketing. You're building a network of people that are going to be doing the exact same thing, and for building that network, you're also going to be getting paid, okay? So network marketing have a payment structure to where, hey, you have a 20 to 40% commission on the product that you sell, but we are also giving you an incentive for building our network, for expanding your network, okay? So those are some of the network marketing. So like if you're looking to build a business with a team, you're looking to build a business selling a product or service that you don't actually have to do a lot of research for, those are the ones that you want to maybe look into: affiliate marketing, network marketing. And my last and not least, but least important one right now, it's really popular, e-commerce, Amazon FBA. So what that is essentially, it's getting products or services that people like, okay? Like for example, my wife and I used to have a store, okay? A little bit about our story on e-commerce. So we started a store thinking, hey, we learned, we know about network marketing, we know about internet marketing, we know about traffic generation, we know about, all this technical stuff on the online world. So we're like, okay, let's start doing an e-commerce store. Well, lo and behold, I like e-commerce, my wife likes e-commerce, but what happens here is you really have to dig in and understand the whole concept of the e-commerce, okay? We were getting things like the fidget spinners that were really popular, or some t-shirts. We were selling some stuff online, but what was happening was we were getting traction, but we didn't understand the whole business model. So what happened is, when you start selling things online, you gotta understand, you gotta put some certain things into equation of the payments, okay? You gotta understand the payment processors, you gotta understand the shipping and handling, you gotta understand if you're outsourcing certain things of your business, if it's gonna be done correctly, what you can outsource, what you don't want outsourced. So those are things that you gotta really understand when it comes to opening your online shop, okay? So essentially what happened was we decided we wanted to go back to what we were doing before, was building teams and doing the affiliate network marketing business model. Why? Because we saw that you can help other people. But if you're looking for e-commerce, that's a great way to go. That's a great way to earn extra income if you have a passion for a certain niche, okay? So for example, if you're passionate about, hey, hiking or hunting or outdoor stuff, and you can build an e-commerce stores around that, and you are all geeked out on the concept of the outdoors, I recommend it. Why? Because you're gonna feel that in your zone, you're gonna feel that you belong, and it's gonna be easy for you. But please understand that you gotta understand more than just selling things online. You gotta understand the drop shipping model. You gotta understand the payment processors. You gotta understand that what happens when people don't get their product that they paid for. How much time do they have to get a refund? So those are the things that you might want to look into. But if you just want to get something out the door and say, hey, you know what, I want to just get a product and start selling it online, Yes, there's certain businesses that allow you to do that, but you got to follow their structure. So going back um, to the five uh, ways to earn income online, I mentioned CPA marketing, which is cost per acquisition or cost per action, internet marketing, and getting a product or service and selling that online via eBay or vlogs or a blog or some of the social media platforms. Number three was affiliate marketing, getting paid a commission for selling a product or service that a retail company is going to give you a commission, a compensation for generating that sale for them. Number four was network marketing, building a network similar to affiliate marketing. You're also selling a product or service, but you're also building a team, okay? So that is network marketing. And number five was e-commerce, okay? So like I mentioned, you can do Shopify, you can do Amazon FBA, but you got to understand the whole business model about drop shipping, about shipping and to your customers, the business model of payment processors, the all that stuff that goes behind the scenes. You got to understand it correctly. That way you have a smooth sailing business on the e-commerce. Okay, so again, if you are interested to learning more on generating income online, go ahead and click the link below where I'll share with you my number one place or business model that I personally love and I'm currently doing right now to help others generate additional income from home. So if you guys like this video, please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, what are you doing to earn extra income today? So thank you guys. Hopefully this video was helpful. Talk to you guys soon, and I'll see you on the next video.